Friday morning, we're on the boat. Got Trevor here this today, helping out. And we're taking the boat out the water today, which is going to come out later on, which will be good. And at the moment, we're just going to be fitting a new metal mount for the Starlink.
James, where's the screws that we bought?
Oh, I'll just get them.
A little bit more on the stern on that side. Yeah, stern's good there. We can start tightening these lines out now.
Yep, it's a little bit further back. That'll be clear of the prop.
Yeah.
So I think we're good.
Yeah, you want to turn her off?
Yep. Yeah, of course, yeah. Oh, that's been in a long time. So August, Carl, was the last time it was cleaned.
Right.
Yeah.
About 5. I ain't got time for pictures, James. We've got work to do.
We've got to film as well.
We've got work to do. We haven't got time for pictures. So put the camera down and get on with your work.
I am. It's my job to film as well. I'm really happy with how the day has gone today. We've got the boat into the cradle. In the hoist, as you can see. We're in the yard. Everything is set up, so we've got a big weekend ahead of us. A lot of work going on. So we've done everything that we needed to do today. Boat's out of the water, and we'll get cracking this weekend. So really happy. So back to work. Saturday morning. The sun is shining. It's a little bit cold, but it's a beautiful day. All day working on the boat. Got to get up there, get all the tools off. I've got to do a little bit more cleaning. We've got to give it a little bit of a rub down underneath. Start re-anti-fouling. We're fitting the new hatch just up there. We've got to clean up and polish the prop, change the anode, loads of stuff. Trevor is making up a mould we've got to basically make up what you call splashes, which is what the boat will sit on in a cradle. And so we have to make up the profile of where these supports go. So we're doing that. So we've got loads of stuff to do today and tomorrow. And we've got the whole boatyard to ourselves, which is great. So, see if we can have a good day. So we've just put some blue tape here and here. The idea of that is to mark where the formers are in the boat. You'll see like a white bulkhead. So they're here. And the idea is the stand will go here, and then we've done the same at the back. Trevor's measuring up. So we're now fitting a new hatch. Jeremy is, we've taken the old one off. Jeremy's up there measuring up. And the new one will go here. So you're making up a mask.
Yeah, just making a template to go around.
So Jeremy's fitting the hatch for me, and he's just mocking up sort of a template. You only get one chance at cutting stuff out.
You can see it's...
Yeah, it's coming up alright, isn't it? Now the question is, do we put some grease in there?
No.
Carl said to leave that, didn't
No,
he?
don't put grease in it.
Yeah.
I'm not going to take these off because I think...
No, just carry on wire brushing it.
While I can wire brush it, it's going to be good enough.
Yeah, okay. And we've got the anode off, so that's great. So you're happy with where that's going there? Yeah. Yeah, perfect. So we've got a little bit of cutting out to do. Yeah, perfect. Well done, well done. Fantastic job. Well done. Now the moment of truth, see if that slides in. Oh, that'd be good if it does. Other way, yeah, that's it. Yes! Well done. Well done. Good work. Thanks, Jeremy. Hey, that's a new hole that Jeremy's just cut out. He's done a great job. And now we'll get up there. We've got to put some resin around the edge. That will go off hard, and then we can install the new hatch. So we're getting there. So all the blue masking tape is now around the whole boat. All of this blue underneath here, this old anti-foul, is going to be very lightly rubbed down, and then we're going to get it all painted up later and probably into tomorrow. You'll see we've masked around here as well. And yeah, quite a big job to get all this done, but it'll be worth it. So the anode's going back on. So the idea of the anode is that it attracts all the muck and sort of tries to keep the prop clean. I've probably not described it that well.
It helps stop the prop from decaying.
It helps stop the propeller from decaying.
It's a sacrificial piece.
It's a sacrificial piece. There we go. Cool. Perfect. Well done. What's the idea of making these up then, Trevor?
Oh, not online.
Making a template up.
Tell them what time it is. Tell everyone what time it is.
It's 5:10 and we're almost finished the first one. We've been here all day. I picked Trevor up at 7:45 this morning. We're still going.
And we haven't been all day making a template. We only started about an hour ago.
Oh, well done.
Oh, that's better.
That is really good. Wow. Have you done this before, Trevor?
No, first time
Trevor.
for everything.
Ah,
That's not bad, is it?
it's pretty good.
Out at the edges, but that's...
Shall we,